Hello guys, let's learn some colors name. Light green color, yellow color, violet color, pink color, black color, purple color, sky blue color, red color, dark green color, brown color, dark blue color, orange color. Let's try to learn some alphabets. A, B, C, D. A for arrow. B for bus. C for cow. D for dress. E for eggplant. F for fish. G for glass. H for horse. I for ice. J for jar. K for kids. L for lotus. M for moon. N for nurse. O for oil. P for pen. Q for queen. R for rainbow. S for school. T for teacher. U for universe. V for violin. W for window. X for Xerox. Y for yam. Z for zero. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye. Hello guys, let's learn some colors name. Violet color, dark blue color, black color, dark green color, purple color, yellow color, light green color, sky blue color, orange color, brown color, red color. Let's try to learn some alphabets. Small letters. A, B, C, D. A is for ant. B is for banana. C is for coffee. D is for doll. E is for elephant. F is for fruits. G is for grapes. H is for house. I is for ice cream. J is for jellyfish. K. K is for king. L. L is for lemon. M. M is for monkey. N. N is for nose. O. O is for orange. P. P is for pen. Q. Q is for queen. R. R is for rainbow. S. S is for sky. T. T is for toy. U. U is for uniform. V. V is for violin. W. W is for watermelon. X. X is for xylophone. Y. Y is for yak. Z. Z is for zoo. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye.